In this video, I'll show you how to trade on Bybit Alpha, which is a way to trade tokens on a decentralized exchange, but within our Bybit account. So we don't have to deal with wallets or anything else. This lets us trade tokens that won't be listed or aren't listed yet on the Bybit centralized exchange. So new launches of tokens that may be on decentralized exchanges first, or just other tokens that may not be listed on the Bybit centralized exchange, for example, stocks. So these aren't stocks exactly, these are a tokenized version of certain stocks. And that means that you can get the price exposure to these certain stocks that would be listed in the US usually that you wouldn't find in your Bybit account, right? So you've got Apple here, you've got the NASDAQ index, the S&P 500, Tesla, and so on. And so what you're doing is owning a tokenized version of the stock, and you get the price exposure to the stock without having to leave your Bybit account. And you're doing that on a decentralized exchange, but it's very easy to get set up. In order to trade on Bybit Alpha, we just need to get some stable coins into our unified trading account. I think USDT and USDC are going to work fine here. I'm assuming you have a Bybit account already and you know how to do that. If not, I'll leave a video guide down below on how to get set up on Bybit. I'll also leave a link there if you are a new user. You can get a deposit bonus via that link. Anything you deposit as a new user, when you sign up by that link, they'll give you a deposit bonus to trade with. But I'm in my funding account here, so I've gone to Assets, Funding Account, go to Transfer here, and just transfer in some stable coins, USDC, USDT, just transfer that over to unified trading. Once that's done, you have a balance there to go ahead and trade with on Bybit Alpha. Now from here, what can we trade? At the moment, it's a bunch of coins that have newly listed on a blockchain. And what I'll show you is actually trading stocks. Now these are X stocks. X stocks are tokenized versions of US stocks. So you'll get the price exposure to these stocks. So these assets, they should move in line with the underlying asset that they're mirroring. And this is from a project called Backed, recently bought out by Kraken, I believe. And so these are just simply the price exposure to these stocks. You can see the S&P 500 here, Tesla, NASDAQ index, Nvidia, Apple, Google, and so on. You aren't the underlying owner of these assets, right? So you're not actually buying the stock. What you're buying is a tokenized version that moves in line with the price. So you're getting price exposure if you want to buy and sell these stocks. And obviously this is something that we can trade on Bybit Alpha that isn't available in our normal Bybit account. So I'll show you exactly how to get up and running here. Once you've put some stable coins into your account, you want to go ahead and trade. So we can press this button right here where it says tokens, and it goes through to the trading page for us. What's actually happening behind the scenes when we trade on Bybit Alpha is that we're using a decentralized exchange on a blockchain. So we're actually buying tokens in a wallet. However, we don't have control over any of that. So as you can see, once purchased, on-chain assets can't be withdrawn or transferred. So that's for the time being. That may change in the future. But for right now, essentially Bybit Alpha is a way to gain price exposure to some assets that may not be on the Bybit centralized exchange. I'll show you right here if we click stocks. These are just X stocks here. They may offer many more over time, but let's just click on Tesla, for example. And you can see the contract address here. It's on the Solana blockchain. Again, none of that really matters. We're just having a buy and sell button here. And then on the right-hand side, we want to go ahead and trade. Now, this is just like trading any other token. So you have a buy and sell button. And from here, you pay. I think you can use USDC, USDT. You can use Sol and BB Sol as well. In the future, they may support other blockchains as well. So they may support other assets. But for right now, that's it. Now, you can go ahead and choose how much you want to buy. And because we're trading on a decentralized exchange, it's a little bit different. We essentially have a buy and sell button, and then we use market orders. So we're not putting a limit order in. We're just saying, look, I want to buy some of this asset. Let's go ahead and do it. So you can see the estimated received. And what you want to do here with the mode is choose which one that you want to go ahead and trade. So priority on success essentially means I want to pay more to get my trade done immediately, right? So you can see the slippage here is up to 5%. That's a bit crazy. For these stocks, they should be highly liquid stocks. So what you want is priority on price, to be honest. Slippage 1%, that's going to be fine, right? These should trade a decent amount, so you shouldn't have to pay 5% in slippage. So I'm going to do priority on price, press confirm. Now that means that the trade may take a little bit longer, but I get a slightly better price because I don't want to pay 5% slippage to get this done. So if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and press buy. Now, as of right now, these stocks don't have massive amounts of volume. As of making this video, I think the market is shut, so it may not have a lot of volume at all, but let's go ahead and just press buy anyway. You can see the details here. So this is how much you're going to spend. This is what you will receive. You can see the network fee. That's all paid for us. You can press confirm there, and hopefully that will go through. You can see I've got an active order here. If it actually, okay, that's gone through already, right? So essentially I've bought the stock already. And you should be able to see my holdings now right here. I've got a little bit of Tesla. So I'm now getting the price exposure of Tesla within my Bybit account, trading it on chain, but it's pretty easy. If you're ready to sell any of the tokens that you bought, then just go over to the sell side of the order book. So on the right-hand side, just press sell here. Now I'm in the Tesla quotes, right? So if we go to the left-hand side again, you can see I'm trading Tesla. So it obviously assumes I'm willing to sell Tesla. If you have another token, just click on that token, you'll get the price quote. And of course, they don't just have stocks here, they have many different crypto tokens as well. This is tokenized gold here and many others. I'm just going to go back to stocks, obviously, because I bought this Tesla. Where you want to go to sell here, and then choose how much of the asset that you want to sell. And you can choose which stable coin that you receive. So it assumes that because I paid in USDT, I want to receive that back. But you can choose one of these as well. If you want to receive USDC or any of the others, you can choose that. And again, priority on price, that's fine by me. And then you can just press sell here. Again, check the details, press confirm. Eventually that will sell it back into the asset that you want to sell it into. Any funds that you have within Bybit Alpha are just going to go straight back into your unified trading account. So I have sold that now. If I go back into my assets page, you'll see that I've got the stable coins in my unified trading account. I can then transfer that back into funding or anywhere else. So an easy way to trade some assets that aren't on Bybit. I'll leave the full Bybit guide down in the description, and the link to sign up if you're a new user, I'll leave that down in the description as well. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.